Hello and welcome to Feasibility.pro. Today we are going to talk about net effective rent. What is net effective rent and how do we calculate? What are the uses? Net effective rent, or sometimes called just the effective rent, is a cash remaining to the landlord after paying all the expenses for operating the property. Obviously, when we say cash remaining, we are talking about the cash in present term, i.e., taking the time value of money into account. The net effective rent is expressed as amount over a unit area over time. So it is like dollars per square meter per month or per year, whatever it is. Effective rent is a very great tool in assessing various lease offers for a space. So if you have a lease offer for a space, so it is very easy because we have only one lease offer, but still we can find out what is the effective rate. But sometimes you have 2 or 3 or even more lease offer for that particular space, and they have different terms, a rent-free period, tenant improvement, or anything else, or escalation. All of them have different terms. In that particular situation, the effective rate calculation becomes very important. So we will go now into an Excel calculation and look how to find the effective rate. So here I have a situation where my leasable area is 1,000 square feet. My base rent for this particular offer is $24 per square feet per year. The tenant is asking for 6-month rent-free period. And also the tenant is asking for $15 per square feet in tenant improvements. The lease duration is 5 years and the discount rate for the landlord is 12%. So first we just go and calculate the base rent I have here. So I'll just delete and calculate again. So this is the year 0 where we have to do the tenant improvement, so there will be no rent. And next year we will have 1,000 square feet into 24. And this rent will be the same year after year because there is no escalation clause. So we just drag it to be equal 24,000 USD. Now we are going to calculate the present value. So you have present value is this, the amount, divided by 1 plus rate, which is your discount rate 12%, and we have the power, which is the time, and we just drag this one, so we get the present value of all the rental income. Now we have something else, which is the rent-free period, and the value of we have something else, which is the rent-free period, another term. So the rent-free period is 6 months. So what is the value of this? 1,000 into 24. So this is for the full year. So we just divide by 2. So you get this is the value of rent-free period. And we just calculate the present value of rent-free period. So this divided by 1 plus your discount rate and power time, which is this one. And then we have a tenant improvement, which we are going to do just before the start of the lease. So this amount is also in negative. So this because this is cash outflow for the landlord. And the tenant is asking for $15 into the area. So you have 15,000. The present value of this will remain as it is because it is happening as of today. So this is my total present value over 5-year lease duration. And we just sum this up, so give me the total present value of effective rent. This is my effective rent. Usually we express the effective rent in per square meter, so we just divide by this. So this is actually not a square meter, this is square feet. So we just say square feet, and we got 60.8, this divided by the area. Now here is something which is very interesting. We need to convert the present value to equivalent monthly rent, and we will use the formula of PMT, which is the annual payment. The rate is 12% annual, so we keep as it is. The duration is 5-year, and the present value, the PV, is this. And we find of course we use the negative sign here. So we get 16.87 as net effective rent per square meter per year. Now here I have a question that why did we convert this 60.8 with the PMT? And this is a very interesting question. I mean, I was also very confused initially when I used to do this calculation for a retail mall. But the thing is that this is the present value of total cash flow over the lease duration, and obviously expressed in per square feet or per square meter. But I want to know what is the periodic equivalent of this. I mean, if I'm negotiating rent per square meter per year, I want to know what is my effective rent per square meter per year or per square meter per month, whatever you are negotiating. So we use the PMT formula. It is like a loan. So you are basically, this is the cash you are receiving as of today. So what is the equivalent if you have to receive over a duration of 5 years? So this is the amount. This is like loan amount, and this is the EMI you pay every period or year or month or whatever it is. So your equivalent rent or effective rent or net effective rent is 16.87 USD per square feet. Again, this is not a square meter, a square feet, and here also square feet per year. You can download this completed Excel sheet from my website, Feasibility.pro. The details are in the description. Thank you very much.